Hi guys, welcome back to Tilly's Lovelies. My name is Chantil and I'm a rural gardener here in Zone 6, and today I'm going to show you guys how I multi-sow my onions for the 2026 gardening season. Last year here at Tilly's Lovelies was our best onion season. And so this year for 2026, I'm trying to reproduce the same results that I had last year in 2025. My biggest onion was 14.33 ounces. So this year, my goal is to grow a 1-pound onion. We have to, right? So if you missed that video from last year, I'm going to show that clip now so you can see what the onions looked like last year in 2025. So this year for 2026, we hope that you guys come along with us in our journey to grow the 1-pound onion. Let's get started. I start my onions off in a pre-moistened seed starting mix. Then I pack my seed starting mix in containers. I like these recycled fruit containers because I can see the roots as the seedlings are growing. I don't pack the dirt all the way to the top. That way I'll have more wiggle room later if I need it. And I can always add more dirt to stabilize the onions if I have to. For the sake of time, I've also planted Walla Walla onion, sweet Spanish onion, and also red carpet onion off screen. When I sow my onion seeds, I pack them as many as I want in each variety in each container. These onions, as they grow and they get stronger, will be separated out later and planted into their individual cells. By multi-sowing my onions this way, it allows for as few containers as possible, and because onions don't mind their roots being disturbed, I can always separate them later, leaving more space in my greenhouse. Here you'll see me after placing my onion seeds. I'll cover those onion seeds lightly with the seed starting mix, about 1/4 of an inch. I always cover my seedlings after planting with a little bit of cinnamon. Cinnamon is a natural antibacterial, so it helps to reduce any type of bacterial or mold growth. And then once I do that, I do go through and I spritz with the water just to set the soil and the seed so you have seed to soil contact. I then sit my seed trays in the greenhouse and wait for germination. Thank you guys for coming along with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. In the coming days, we're going to be sowing more seeds, and these greenhouses will be full of seedlings. So in the meantime, we'll see you soon. Keep your hands dirty and your plants happy, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.